continue. We put it in there. Mati. We get latitude and longitude. Okay. Then step. We can put input. Contact info. Or we put okay. Then here, after our organization logging in this application, they can create a request what they need in their server. This sample. This is the info about what organization and what they need, what the list that they need. This request get here in the Twitter. Then rapid request price 50 kilo, and in the Facebook I think it's need some time. We can this is the timeline that request from time to time. If there are requests, they get here listed and updated for time to time. We look to the Facebook if they are there. The new status is WP request rice 50 kilos. The other feature that we built is a map to describe where all the cells are. The new shelter that we inputted before is the youth center in Dimlati, and we can click here. If we click here, we hope that get to this page, but we can do it right now because it's oh, okay. Youth center. Request the Jalin Merapi. So with this map, we hope that someone that have donation and they don't know where they have to deliver, they can show this map. They can see this map and know where exactly they have to send their donation. They choose one shelter and they can know what they need. So the right amount of donation can be delivered to the right shelter. This is the purpose of our application. Okay. This is the summary of the request. This is the total registered shelter that we have, 5 organizations, total refugee from all of the shelter, volunteer, and capacity of all shelter. Then the below of that is the list that all of donation that of all item that all the shelter needs. Okay. From this, we hope that in the later time we can build a decent function from this application. We need some map direction. So if I open the internet, I know where am I right now and where the nearest shelter that I can reach and the direction from here to the all of shelters actually. And next, we hope that we can request searching and tutoring. So if I have rice, I can search where the shelter needs rice and so on. Because we hope that we can build integration with inventory management for each organization or shelter. So we can know in each shelter what they have and what they need. And if they have rice, it can last for 2 days, or we can hope that we can build inventory management. Next is API for other application, and that we for the limited time we do not yet build the standard feature like GRUD and ECR. That's our presentation. If you have question, yes.
Okay, this is really interesting. So I would like to ask you, you have an integration with inventory management. Sometime when we were in Merapi, right? There is one camp and other camp. We have a supply agreement. So that's what you are telling us, like for one camp you have a lot of nasi bungkus. Another camp is lack of it. And you know sometimes the nasi bungkus not last so long, just 1 day. So is this on your plan that you will extend the functionality to the distribution between shelter? So for example, one shelter has a surplus, they can help another shelter. And the second, I really want to give you an advice that API is really if you want to continue the development, API is the important one to cook. Since what I really see all the application that we made in two days become in one purpose, you know. So each application can complement each other. So that's why maybe I need your data from the volunteer. Maybe I need the another disaster stream can put in my real-time system. So it's really good ecosystem. So that's why I want to ask and I want to advise. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I can answer the first question that our problem is there are a surplus shelter and a lack shelter, right. And we hope that with this application it's not happen. So in this application we can put that one shelter is there are maybe 100 refugees, so they need only 100 nasi bungkus for when it's meal time. We hope that surplus and lack of donation is not happen. But for the other items that can last more longer, maybe they can do that. They can distribute the item from one shelter to another shelter. Okay, for the second question, maybe for the second advice, yes, maybe Sigit more going to say something. Oh, okay, we can. Yes, that is the spirit of this event. That we hope that from this event we can share each other from our knowledge, so we can build some application that really can applicable in the reality and help the disaster that often happen in Indonesia. Thank you for the advice. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone.